Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So let's begin up with the next chapter, that is Pasand Ki Sachai, and it is written by Vishnu Prabhakar. So I'll share my screen first. So let's begin. What do you mean by Sachai? Sachai is truth that you speak or anybody just speaks. Sachai is truth. So this Basant Ki Sachai is not a chapter, not a poem, it is Ekanki. So what do you mean by Ekanki? Ekanki is a play or a drama which has 2-3 scenes in it, and the character introduction is given by the conversation that is going in that play. So there is no specific introduction phase goes in that play. So, and Ekanki is also known as a play or drama which doesn't have a very proper ending, means you don't know what happens afterwards. So let's begin up with the chapter. So छात्र इस एकांकी में चित्रित बालक के चरित्र से प्रेरित होकर प्रामाणिकता से जीना सीख सकते हैं. Means if a child is reading this chapter, that they can learn or get inspired by the character played by the portrait boy in this play, or they can learn the authenticity or the honesty. Patra Parichay, character introduction, means the characters who are playing in this play, the introduction of those people or the characters have been shown here. First is Basant, the main character. And a garib शरणार्थी लड़का means a poor refugee boy. Pratap, Basant का छोटा भाई, means he is the younger brother of Basant. Pandit Rajkishore, एक नेता means one leader. Doctor, a doctor is also there, and दो राह चलते व्यक्ति means people who are roaming on the streets. पहला दृश्य, फर्स्ट सीन, स्टेज पर सुविधानुसार एक बड़े नगर के बाजार का प्रतीकात्मक दृश्य, means pratikatmak means symbolic. So a symbolic scene of a marketplace of a big town is shown in a very suvidhanusar is what convenience. So the convenience of having the area of a stage, and you have to show a marketplace, then according to that space only they have shown a marketplace. आने जाने लेने देने का शोर, फेरे वालों की पुकार, means the people who are going and coming to the market area, and the people who are taking and giving the money or the things, and the voice that is going on, and the people who are selling their things on the stalls, they are also shouting. So all these sounds are coming from that place or that stage. उन्हीं के बीच में एक लड़का नंगे पैर फटे कपड़े पहने हाथ में सामान संभाले भागता हुआ आता है. So in between that only all the noises, one boy came in with barefoot and his clothes were also torn, and he was just handling his things in his hands very carefully and was running. उसकी आयु लगभग 12 वर्ष की है, and his age is around 12 years. उसका नाम बसंत है. His name is बसंत. वह पुकार रहा है, and he is calling out. What he is calling out? छलनी ले लो, बटन ले लो, दिया सलाई ले लो, means he was a seller and he is selling 3 things. छलनी is sieve, button and matchbox. दिया सलाई is matchbox. कोई उसकी बात नहीं सुनता. Nobody was listening to his voice. सब उसे देखते हैं और आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. Means everybody was looking at him and were moving on. इसी समय एक खद्दरधारी व्यक्ति वहां से जाते दिखाई देते हैं. Means at that moment only a person who was wearing khadi clothes, खद्दरधारी व्यक्ति means a person who was wearing khadi clothes was seen going at that place. वे मजदूर नेता पंडित राजकिशोर हैं, and he is a labor leader. Neta is leader, mazdoor is labor. So he is a leader who fights for the rights of laborers, and his name is Pandit Rajkishore. बसंत उन्हें देखकर उनके पीछे भागता है, and while he was going, Basant saw him and he just ran behind him. Basant, साहब बटन लीजिए, देसी बटन. So he says, sir, you can take the buttons, they are desi button, the buttons that are made in the home country, so they are called desi button. Sahab, diya silai lijiye. So he says, you can take the button, sir, or you can take the matchbox. Rajkishore, bhai mujhe kuch nahi chahiye, jao kisi aur ko do. So he said, brother, I don't want anything, just go and give it to somebody else. Basant, sahab chalni lijiye. So he said, sir, please take the sieve. Doodh chhaniye, chai chhaniye. So he was just telling the advantage of purchasing a sieve, that you can use it while sieving the milk or tea. So Rajkishore said, mujhe nahi chahiye. I don't want it. Basant, button? Can take button? So Rajkishore said, no. Basant कहता है, फिर Basant says that diya salai, you can take diya salai means matchbox you can take. Then Rajkishore said, nahi nahi. So he said, no, I don't want. Basant, Vinamra swar. Vinamra means humble voice. With a very soft and humble voice, he says, साहब एक छलनी ले लीजिए. You can take one sieve. सिर्फ 2 आना कीमत है. Only 2 आना is the price of it. Rajkishore, पर भाई मुझे नहीं चाहिए तो मैं कैसे ले लूं? So he says that I don't want it. So why should I purchase it? Basant, अच्छा आप 6 पैसा means 2 आना. 1 anna is 1/16th of a rupee, and 4 anna is 25 paisa. So 2 annas is approximately 12.5 paisa. So he says that the cost, he was also reducing the cost of sieve from 12.5 paisa, he was reducing it to 6 paisa. And he says, acha 6 paisa, means he was just trying to convince, so that he just takes it. Rajkishore, oh, कह दिया मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. As I said that I don't want anything. Basant, ruasa, he just been seen cried, like he just cried. Sahab, सवेरे से अब तक कुछ नहीं बिका. Nothing has been sold till now from the morning. आपसे आशा थी. I hope that you will purchase something from me. साहब एक तो ले लीजिए. Sir, please at least take one. राजकिशोर कहते हैं, जेब से 2 पैसे निकालते हुए. Means he was just taking out money, 2 paisa money from his pocket. तुम तो अच्छा तुम्हें पैसे चाहिए, लो ये 2 पैसे लो और जाओ. So he was just thinking that he wanted money. So he said that, oh, you want money, you can take the money and you can go. He was giving him 2 paisa. Basant, ekdam means at once or immediately, on a spur of a moment, like immediately. नहीं साहब नहीं, मैं पैसे नहीं लूंगा. No sir, no, I will not take the money. Rajkishore, नहीं लेंगे means नहीं लोगे, you will not take the money. Basant, जी नहीं, आप छलनी खरीद लीजिए. No sir, you just purchase the sieve. Rajkishore, अच्छा एक छलनी में तुम्हें क्या बचेगा? Means Rajkishore said that if you will sell this sieve in just 2 paisa, what profit you will get? Because the cost of this sieve is 12.5 paisa and I'm giving you 2 paisa. So what you will get? What you will gain or have in your pocket? Basant said 2 paise. Means he said I will have 2 paisa in my pocket. Why he said that? Because he just wanted to sell his things. Rajkishore, तो बस पैसे ले लो और समझ लो मैंने एक छलनी खरीद ली. So what Rajkishore said, that you just take the money and think that I have purchased your thing. Purchase the sieve. Basant, नहीं साहब नहीं, यह तो भीख है. So Basant said, no sir, no, this is just like begging. मैं भीख नहीं लूंगा. I will not beg like this, or I will not take money given out of as begging. आप छलनी ले लें. Means you just take the or purchase the sieve. राजकिशोर पर इस बात का बड़ा असर होता है. So Rajkishore got impacted by his talks. वे सहसा उस बच्चे को देखते हैं और फिर जेब टटोलते हैं. So सहसा means suddenly. He just suddenly looked to that Basant and started scrabbling his pocket or finding money in his pocket. पर पैसे नहीं मिलते and he didn't got money in his pocket. राजकिशोर, भाई मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं, होते तो ले लेता, नोट है. So Rajkishore said, I don't have paisa in my pocket, I have note in my pocket. Agar if I had paisa in my pocket, I would have purchased it. But I have note, 1 rupee note. Basant, udas. Udas is sad. So Basant got very sad. Note hai. So he was very sad that he was having note. And in earlier days, Anna, Paisa, these only works. So the person who's having note, nobody gives change for that. पैसे तो मेरे पास भी नहीं है. So Basant also said that I also don't have the money. So if you will give me a note, I can't give you the change back because I also don't have the money. कुछ बिका ही नहीं. Nothing has been sold till now. So I also don't have the money. How will I give? So he, thinking about that, he was sad. Rajkishore, तभी तो कहता था. Means what Rajkishore said that that's why only, like, as I said that I don't have the money. अच्छा कल ले लूंगा या मेरे घर ले आना, किशनगंज में रहता हूँ. So what he said, as I said that I don't have the money or I don't have the paisa. So otherwise I would have purchased. So he said, Rajkishore said that I will take it tomorrow, or you can come to my area. I live in Kishanganj. Basant, एकदम नहीं साहब. एकदम से कहता है, means एकदम means suddenly. So Basant said suddenly, नहीं साहब. No sir, आज ही ले लीजिए. You can take it today only. आप नोट मुझे दीजिए, मैं अभी बाजार से भुना लाता हूँ. So you just give me the note and I will go in the market and just bring the change. Rajkishore, भाई तुम तो, he was very much satisfied with his hunger of selling things. So he was very eager, very much enthusiastic of selling his things. Basant, बस मैं यह आया. Means he said just I will just go and come back quickly. Rajkishore, अच्छा लो, भुना लाओ, अभी आना. So what Rajkishore said that just go and bring the change and please come back soon. Bhuna lana means bringing change of a rupee note. Basant, अभी आया साहब. Like I will come back soon, sir. आप यहीं ठहरे. You can wait here only. अभी पलक मारते ही आया. Palak marte means blink of an eye. Like he was just saying that he will come back very early or very soon. बसंत नोट लेकर बाजार की ओर भागता है. So he just Basant start running in the market area holding that note. राजकिशोर बड़ी खड़े रहते हैं, वहीं खड़े रहते हैं. Means राजकिशोर was standing there only. धीरे धीरे 15-20 मिनट बीत जाते हैं. And like slowly and steadily, like 15-20 minutes passed on. जैसे जैसे समय बीतता है, like as the time passes, वे उत्सुक होकर बाजार की ओर देखते हैं. So he was very utsuk means curious. So as the time goes on, so he started looking very curiously towards the market. राजकिशोर, 15 मिनट हो गए, अब तक नहीं आया. So he Rajkishore starting talking to himself that, oh, 15 minutes have gone and he has not still turned up. कहाँ रह गया? Where he has been up to? मुझे लगता है अब नहीं लौटेगा. I think so that he will not return now. Now दूसरा दृश्य means second scene of this play. स्टेज पर जरा सा परिवर्तन के साथ पहले जैसा दृश्य. Means परिवर्तन means change. So there was a slight change in the stage. Otherwise the whole stage was same only. एक और किशनगंज का बोर्ड लगा हुआ है. Means at one place किशनगंज board was placed there. हल्का शोर है and there was a little noise. संध्या हो गई है. Evening was there at that moment. So lights were according to the evening time. लोग घरों की ओर लौट रहे हैं. So people are heading towards their home. So because evening time is the time of returning home, so everybody is heading towards their home. उन्हीं के बीच एक दुबला पतला लड़का जल्दी जल्दी आता है. So in that moment only, in those people only, a very slim and trim boy came very fast in that place. वह नंगे पैर है. He is also barefooted. कपड़े फटे हैं. His clothes were also torn. आयु लगभग 10 वर्ष है and his age is around 10 years. उसकी शक्ल बसंत से मिलती है and his face looks like बसंत only or similar to बसंत. वह उसका छोटा भाई प्रताप है एंड ही इज यंगर ब्रदर ऑफ बसंत एंड हिज नेम इज प्रताप. वह आते जाते व्यक्तियों से कुछ पूछ रहा है एंड ही इज आस्किंग समथिंग टू द पीपल हु आर गोइंग एंड कमिंग ऑन दैट रोड. उसके मुख पर व्यग्रता है. व्यग्रता इज एंजाइटी. सो एंजाइटी कैन बी सीन ऑन हिज फेस. प्रताप, क्यों जी किशनगंज यही है? मीन्स प्रताप was asking to some person that he was asking like is this किशनगंज? एक व्यक्ति, हाँ. So he said yes. One person said yes. प्रताप, पंडित राजकिशोर कहाँ रहते हैं? So प्रताप was asking where पंडित राजकिशोर lives. एक व्यक्ति, कौन राजकिशोर? Who राजकिशोर? That first person says who राजकिशोर? प्रताप, जो लेक्चर देते हैं, द पर्सन हु गिव्स लेक्चर. मजदूरों की बस्ती में जाते हैं एंड ही गोज इन द एरिया ऑफ लेबर्स. एक व्यक्ति, मैं नहीं जानता, आगे पूछो. सो दैट फर्स्ट पर्सन व्हाट ही सेज दैट आई डोंट नो अबाउट दैट पर्सन, यू कैन आस्क टू सम अदर गाय. प्रताप आगे बढ़ जाता है एंड प्रताप मूव्स ऑन और एक दूसरे व्यक्ति से पूछता है एंड ही आस्क्स द सेकंड पर्सन. प्रताप, क्यों जी पंडित राजकिशोर यहीं कहाँ रहते हैं? So what he says to the second person, the same question, that where Pandit Rajkishore lives. दूसरा व्यक्ति, कौन पंडित राजकिशोर? So he says who पंडित राजकिशोर? वे जो मजदूरों के नेता हैं, the person who is leader of those laborers. प्रताप, हाँ हाँ वे ही. प्रताप says yes yes that person only. दूसरा व्यक्ति इशारा करके, उधर देखो वह नीला पर्दा है ना. So that second person, he was just pointing out to one house having blue curtains. So he says that you can see that blue curtain in that house. Pratap, हाँ. So Pratap said, yes, I can see. दूसरा व्यक्ति, बस वे ही वहीं रहते हैं. So that in that house only that person lives. व्यक्ति आगे बढ़ जाता है. That person goes away. प्रताप नीले पर्दे वाले मकान के सामने जाकर पुकारता है and प्रताप goes near to that house having blue curtains and calls out. प्रताप, राजकिशोर जी, पंडित राजकिशोर जी. So he was just calling out the name of पंडित राजकिशोर. अंदर से आवाज आती है, राजकिशोर, कौन? So what राजकिशोर says, who is there? खिड़की से झांक कर देखते हैं. So he was just peeking out from the window and just watching, like asking who is there? क्यों भाई, क्या बात है? So he's asking who are you, like what is the work you have with me? प्रताप, जी मुझे मेरे भाई ने भेजा है. सर, my brother has sent me here. राजकिशोर, तुम्हारा भाई? Your brother? ठहरो मैं आता हूँ. Like wait, I'll come back. Downstairs, like I'll come back means I'll wait here only. I'll go down, like come towards you. बाहर आकर means he just came out of the house. तेरा भाई कौन है बच्चे? So he just asked like, boy, who is your brother? प्रताप, आज दोपहर को उसने आपको एक छलनी बेची थी. So he said that in the noon time my brother has sold you one sieve. Then Rajkishore said, हाँ हाँ, आज मैंने एक लड़के से एक छलनी ली थी. Yes, I remember that I have purchased one sieve from a boy. ₹1 का नोट दिया था and I have given him ₹1 note. प्रताप, वह नोट भुनाने गया था मगर जब भुनाकर लौट रहा था तो मोटर के नीचे आ गया. So Pratap said that he has gone out to bring the change of that ₹1 note, and when he was returning back, he just met with an accident and he came below the vehicle, motor vehicle. So motor उसके ऊपर से निकल गई and that vehicle has gone over his body or his legs. Rajkishore, Acharaj. Acharaj means surprise. Kya? What? So Rajkishore was very shocked listening to his story that what happened? Like motor uske upar se nikal gayi, that motor vehicle has gone from his over him. So he was very shocked. Pratap, स्वर गिरता है means his voice dropped. उसका सामान, पैसे सब बिखर गए. So his things, money all get shattered. उसके दोनों पैर कुचले गए. His both legs got crushed. Rajkishore, bhai. So he was frightened. Rajkishore was frightened, got fear. पैर कुचले गए. He was just frightened, like पैर कुचले गए, his legs got crushed. प्रताप रुआ सा, जी हाँ, means he just his face was looking like he has cried or he will cry, and he said yes sir. और इसलिए वह आपके पैसे ना ला सका, so इसलिए वो आपके पास ना आ सका, so that's why he has not returned back to you, he has not turned up to you at that moment. वह बेहोश हो गया था, and बेहोश is unconscious, and he got unconscious at that moment. बड़ी मुश्किल से उसे घर ले गए, and with great difficulty we have taken him back to home. बड़ी देर में जब उसे होश आया तो उसने मुझे आपके पैसे लौटाने को कहा. So after a long time when he got conscious, then he said to me to return back your money. मैं आपके 14.5 आने लाया हूँ. So I have brought your 14.5 आना, 14.5 आना. राजकिशोर खोया खोया, खोया खोया means lost. So मेरे 14.5 आने लाए हो. So he was very lost that your brother is not well and you have brought the money back to me. So उसने भेजे हैं. So राजकिशोर से asked like your brother has sent me this money. लेकिन बच्चे वह अब कहाँ है? But boy, where is your brother? प्रताप घर, he said home. राजकिशोर घर में कौन है? Means he said like who lives with you in your home? प्रताप कोई नहीं, means nobody. राजकिशोर कोई नहीं. राजकिशोर was questioning him. Nobody? प्रताप जी हाँ, yes sir, मैं और मेरा भाई हम दोनों भीखू अहीर के घर में रहते हैं. So yes sir, I and my brother lives in भीखू अहीर's house. राजकिशोर तुम्हारे माँ बाप क्या? So he was asking about his parents. So प्रताप said रो पड़ता है, वे मारे गए. So Pratap started crying and he said that my parents my parents died. दंगों के दिनों में उन्हें किसी ने मार डाला. So दंगे means riots or the fights. So at the in the days when riots were there, so in that riot period somebody killed them. राजकिशोर खोया खोया, खोया खोया is as I said lost. उन्हें किसी ने मार डाला, somebody killed them. तुम दोनों भीखू अहीर के घर रहते हो. You both lives in भीखू अहीर's house. एकदम जागकर, so he just having consciousness, got conscious. बच्चे रो मत. So राजकिशोर get conscious and he said to Pratap that please don't cry. मैं अभी तुम्हारे साथ चलता हूँ. I will go with you now. अभी means now. प्रताप आप मेरे साथ चलेंगे? You will go with me. राजकिशोर हाँ अभी चलो. Yes, you can come. We will go now only. आगे बढ़ते हैं. They move on. पर हाँ तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है? They both move on, but Rajkishore asked that where is your house? Pratap Ahir Tile में. So he said that my house in an area called Ahir Tila. Rajkishore अंदर की ओर देखकर. So he just looked back to his house and said, अमर सिंह मैं अहीर टीला जा रहा हूँ. तुम इसी वक्त डॉक्टर वर्मा को लेकर वहां आओ. So Rajkishore looked into his house and he called Amar Singh, I'm going to Ahir Tila and at this moment only just go and call Dr. Verma and come to that place. कहना कि एक लड़की की टांगे मोटर के नीचे आकर कुचली गई हैं. And just go to that doctor and say that a boy is there whose legs have been crushed under the motor vehicle. जल्दी करो, go fast. भीखू अहीर का घर पूछ लेना means you can call out for that Bhikkhu Ahir's house because you are new to that area. You can ask to anybody and they will tell you. मुड़कर आओ बच्चे चलें. So Rajkishore says to Pratap that come on son, we will go. Pratap चकित विस्मित उन्हें देखता है. So Pratap looked to Rajkishore in a very amazed way. फिर ठगा सा उनके आगे आगे जाता है. So he also feel very lost and he moves in front of him. पर्दा गिरता है and that curtains falls. So this is the end of second scene of this play. So now is तीसरा दृश्य means third scene. स्टेज पर एक कच्चे घर के अंदर के ओसारे का दृश्य means on that stage a kacha house is there. Kacha house is that is made up of wood or mud husk. So that kacha house, and that kacha house, the interior or the inside of that house was shown. जमीन पर दरी बिछी है and on the floor carpet is there. उस पर बसंत लेटा है and on that carpet बसंत was lying. रह रहकर दर्द से करहा उठता है. करहा means groan. Dard is pain. So he was having so much of pain that he was groaning. प्रताप और राजकिशोर का प्रवेश, and at that moment प्रताप and राजकिशोर both came in. प्रताप, यह रहा साहब. हाँ, here it is, sir. राजकिशोर, अरे यह तो जमीन पर लेटा है. राजकिशोर says, oh, he is lying on the floor. बसंत चकित होकर, आप आए हैं. So Basant was very shocked looking to Rajkishore that he said, you have come here. Rajkishore, कहाँ चोट लगी है बेटा, देखूं. So he said, where you have got wounds, just show me. Can I see? Rajkishore पास आकर टांग देखते हैं. So Rajkishore come closer and see his leg. किसी ने first aid दी है. Somebody has given him first aid. पट्टी बंदी है. Bandage is there. छूते ही चीख निकलती है. And as soon as you touch that leg, he just start shouting, screaming. बसंत ओठ भींचकर आह खींचता है. Means ओठ भींचकर, ओठ is होठ or lips. So he was just pressing. भींचकर means pressing. He was pressing his lips so hard so that he can control the pain or bear the pain. Basant, oh, he's making these sounds. Rajkishore कुछ देर इसी तरह देखते हैं. So for some moment Rajkishore was looking at that way only. Rajkishore, नहीं घबराओ नहीं. So Rajkishore said, please don't worry, Basant. Basant, दर्द से करहाते हुए. So he was just groaning in pain. मैं मोटर से टकरा गया था, इसलिए तब आपके पैसे न लौटा सका. So I just got hurt with that motor vehicle. That's why I have not returned back your money. Rajkishore, उस बात की चिंता ना करो बेटा. So you just don't worry about that thing, son. मैंने डॉक्टर को बुलवाया है, तुम ठीक हो जाओगे. So I have called the doctor and you will be all right. Basant, डॉक्टर को बुलवाया है? Means he was just questioning, like, you have called the doctor? Doctor ka pravesh. So now the doctor enters. Doctor, hello Pandit ji. So doctor just greets Pandit Rajkishore. Hi and hello. मैंने इसे बाजार में देखा है. I have seen this boy in the market area. Rajkishore, जी हाँ, yes. जरा देखिए तो, just examine him. Doctor पैर देखते हैं. Doctor starts his examining part. बसंत जोर से ओठ भींचता है and बसंत was just pressing his lips very hard. प्रताप की आंखों से आंसू झड़ते हैं and प्रताप started crying, looking to his brother having so much of pain. He started crying. वह कभी भाई को देखता है, कभी डॉक्टर को. Sometimes he sees the Basant, his brother, and sometimes he sees the doctor. राजकिशोर उत्सुकता से पूछते हैं. उत्सुकता is curiosity. So Rajkishore asked the doctor out of curiosity. क्यों डॉक्टर, ठीक हो जाएगा ना? What doctor, will he be okay? Doctor, गंभीर. He was very tense. The doctor was looking very tense and he says, पंडित जी, ऐसा लगता है कि पैर की हड्डी टूट गई है. So I think that the bone of the leg is broken. Screen करके देखना होगा. We will have to do screening or the X-ray of this leg. दूसरा पैर ठीक है, पर इसे अभी अस्पताल ले जाना चाहिए. The second leg or the other leg is good, but we have to take him to the hospital. Rajkishore, तो क्या हुआ? अभी ले चलो. So what happened? We will take him now only. मैं एम्बुलेंस के लिए फोन कराता हूँ. So I will go and call for the ambulance. Doctor, जी हाँ, कराइए. what the doctor says that yes, please go and just call for the ambulance. मैं तब तक injection लगाता हूँ. I will insert injection in his body. Till then, बसंत आंखें खोलकर, आप क्या कर रहे हैं? मैं गरीब हूँ. Basant says to Rajkishore, he just opened his eyes. Aankhein kholkar means he just opened his eyes and he says, what are you doing? I am a poor person. Why are you helping me so much and spending your money on me? Because if you are spending money, I'm not in the level, or I don't have the money to return you back. So please, that's why he was asking him, like, I am poor, don't help me so much so that I can't return you back. Rajkishore, Haskar. So Rajkishore, having smile on his face, he says, तुम चिंता मत करो, you don't worry. बस चुपचाप लेटे रहो बेटा. You just lie down quietly. चुपचाप means quietly. डॉक्टर साहब, जब तक मैं नहीं आता आप यहीं रहें, इसे बचाना ही होगा. So Rajkishore says to doctor that till the time I'll come back, please be here with him. We have to save him. यह गरीब है पर इसमें एक दुर्लभ गुण है. So he is poor but he has a rare quality. दुर्लभ is rare and gun is quality. So he has a very rare quality which very few people have. यह ईमानदार है. He is honest. डॉक्टर प्रताप की सहायता से इंजेक्शन तैयार करते हैं. So doctor with the help of Pratap started preparing for the injection. बसंत आंखें बंद कर लेता है and बसंत just closes his eyes. क्षण भर के लिए उसे मुख पर शांति और कृतज्ञता उभर आती है. So क्षण भर means for a moment. And shanti is peace. So for a moment only, his face has peace and gratitude towards Rajkishore. So Pratap was very thankful to Rajkishore because he was helping him. So the gratitude means thankfulness, कृतज्ञता. डॉक्टर इंजेक्शन लगाते हैं. बसंत ओढ़ भींचता है means doctor inserted the injection and बसंत pressed his lips. प्रताप भाई का सिर थामता है and प्रताप was holding his brother's head और पर्दा गिर जाता है and the curtains falls. And this is the end of the third scene. Means this is just a small play in which the honesty of a small boy can be seen. So पाठ का आशय means what is the motive behind writing this एकांकी or play. We will discuss it now. विष्णु प्रभाकर मानव मन के पारखी लेखक हैं. Means Vishnu Prabhakar, who is the writer of this drama, is an expert writer having expertise in knowing the human behavior or human heart or the good feelings that a person has from his heart. So इस एकांकी में उन्होंने स्वाभिमान. So in this play, he has shown self-respect. Pardu khagakarta means moderation. So, or the integrity. Khakartata means integrity or the honesty. So in this play, he has shown self-respect and honesty. The human feelings, like the human feeling that the self-respect should not be hampered or the honesty should be there. Those feelings have been shown very beautifully. का सुंदर चित्रण किया है. चित्रण means illustration or shown. So these feelings, the human feelings of honesty has been shown very beautifully. गरीब होकर भी स्वाभिमानी. Since he was very poor, though also he has shown self-respect. और परिश्रम की कमाई से जीने वाले बसंत means परिश्रम means hard work, that he is doing very a lot of hard work to earn money to have a livelihood. So he has shown a person with self-respect and the person who is a boy who is doing very much of hard work to earn money. और प्रताप एक और है means प्रताप एक और है means these all people like Pratap and Basant on one side he has shown who are doing such a hard work, and they both are honest children. And on the other hand, we have कंगालों के प्रति हमदर्दी. कंगालो means pauper. Pauper, a very poor person. So the person, a very poor person, Basant was a very poor person in this drama. So उसके प्रति हमदर्दी, हमदर्दी means sympathy. So हमदर्दी दिखाते हुए आदर के साथ व्यवहार करने वाले राजकिशोर जैसे पात्र अनुसरणीय हैं. Means on the one hand, the writer has shown us the person who is very poor, still he is doing hard work to earn the money, and he has self-respect. On the other hand, the writer is showing us a person who is helping a very poor person, a pauper, or he has sympathy towards that pauper or a poor person. And that vyavahar means that he is व्यवहार करने वाले, that he is doing things, Rajkishore is doing things in this drama with a very kind-hearted person. And the character of Rajkishore is very untraceable, means nobody can trace that. So he's a very good guy. And what is the motive behind that play is just that you have to be honest and you should have some self-respect. So this is what honesty is the best policy, as you have heard about this phrase. So let's be honest. So everybody should be honest. Thank you. This was all about Basant Ki Sachai, and I hope you will enjoy it and learn it very effectively. Thank you.